Benvenuti a tutti. I'm Helene Oberman, Managing Director of Interior Design Magazine, and I like to welcome you. Since 1990, it's been the mission of Colombo Design, a family-run company in northern Italy, to produce green-made door handles, bathroom accessories, and shower enclosures of high design for the modern environment. With me today to discuss how its heritage, along with creativity, sustainability, and innovation define the brand is Carlo Farina, North American Sales Manager for Colombo Design. Hi, Carlo. It's lovely to see you.
Hi, Helene. Thank you very much. And thank you for having me here today.
Of course. Well, we want to learn all about Colombo Design. How did Colombo Design actually get its start, and how has it become such a leader in the architectural products industry?
Yeah, today we really sell worldwide, I would say, 93 countries around the world. And we are proudly selling, as you said, door and window hardware, bathroom accessories. And we have our sister company, Cesana, which is very well known, one of the very first brands in shower enclosures in Italy. Was founded in 1965. But yeah, we are excited and we are really proud to have all these partnerships with companies locally, designers in Italy and in Europe.
So, speaking of designers, as we all know, they are much more mindful about the products that they specify, and they do not want to compromise on their sustainability goals. So, based on your guiding principle of green made, how is Colombo Design manufacturing products in a much more responsible and sustainable manner?
Throughout the years and every year, heavily invested in renovating, upgrading our equipment, implemented equipment that we have realized throughout the years. Well, first, water. We have completely renewed our water equipment, and we are now able today to have up to 40% of our water needs recovered and not wasted into the public network. In terms of production of the product, we are switching towards more green, sustainable finishes. The new products that we have launched last year and this year will be only with water-based paint, so powder coating, and using what is called the PVD technology. PVD stands for physical vapor deposition, which is a natural chemical physical process. And I don't like to say zero emission because nothing is zero actually, but has a very, very much reduced impact on the environment.
I would love to know how they're being incorporated into one of your latest designs, which is the grips lever by Marco De Luca, into a door handle.
It's an amazing handle in terms of design, very modern. What can you do to add it to be not only nice looking, but also sustainable as far as we can. So we have selected only PVD finishes for that reason.
But I also want to speak about design itself. And certainly for those that don't sort of shy away from color, there's mood, where color is the true protagonist of this product collection. So tell us how you've expanded this showstopper collection with the introduction of the Due and the Due Q models.
People see the happiness of colors. We have done pediatric hospitals, kindergartens. It has been an incredible success. That's the reason why we have increased the family of the Mood collection.
Well, I mean, I personally don't shy away from color, and I'm a big appreciator of it. So I'm happy to see it expand. Colombo Design has collaborated with such internationally renowned architects and designers such as Patrick Schwann, one of our Hall of Famers, and Konstantin Krichik, but always grounded in the notion of made in Italy. So can you walk us through the design vision and technical expertise behind your newest lever developed alongside the Italian architect, engineer, and designer Alberto Meda?
Thank you for this question, Helene, because, Alberto Meda is one of the most known and famous industrial designers in Italy and internationally. And you said it because you said the word vision. We have called this Vision 2026. So the package of the new items that are coming out, the new products that we're about to disclose, has been called Vision 2026. A vision shared with Alberto Meda on how we see and he sees, together with us, the future of design going forward throughout the years. But I can tell you that probably, take it with lightness, okay? Lightness and brightness, I would like to say. So a little bit thinking of how the mood was with the fresh designs of Alberto Meda, and especially one handle that he has designed, and the pairing with certain specific finishes and colors that we are going to have. I think we will be all surprised by the result.
You have the Robotech collection. How can this collection really maintain its flexibility and ductability and shape and resistance over time with you have this very patented material called chromol?
In 2026, within this vision, we will also have another member of the Robotech family coming out. Right now, we have the Robo 2, Robo 3, Robo 4, and Robo 5. So what you expect to come next? You said it. I didn't say it. You also always have to think in a company, I have to be sustainable. I have to be good in design, a good production, and a sustainable in terms of economics, sustainable production. And we have put all this together with the Robotech collection, I guess.
Maybe bathrooms come to mind most when designers think of the name Colombo Design. But can you really walk us through how the brand's really expansive product portfolio, starting with maybe Robotech as maybe the one most accessible, but really how you can provide solutions for all types of environments?
Colombo has two main lines of product, the door and window hardware, because we also always think about the door hardware, but we also have the window hardware and the pool handles and the whole package there. And the second line of products is the bathroom accessories. Not only that, also within our group, the Cesana, because we have developed a shower enclosure called Oltre with matching profiles of the shower enclosure and our bathroom accessories. And this is also very sustainable because when you put two companies together that cooperate together, think about only one packaging, how much you reduce in terms of packaging if you collaborate. So we have developed a product called Combo Box with the Italian company Corona Koblenz, which is not part of our group. They produce a lock set, magnetic lock set. And we said, okay, let's match the front plate and the strike in the same finish of our handles. And let's offer them to the market as a single package. And we love it. And we look forward to do it with other companies too. So very, very important, the matching of an environment.
Of course, Carlo, while we're here to look back at the success of Colombo Design as a really amazing resource for the design community, I know it's also important to look ahead on how the brand will continue to evolve. And I know you sort of teased it out a little bit, but we'd love to hear about those initiatives that you are able to talk about for the future.
Right, thank you. Well, back to square one, right? So sustainability, the 17 Sustainability Development Goals (SDGs) of the Agenda 2030 of the United Nations. I just want to name one. You have Goal 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. I think we have to work, all of us, not only Colombo Design, but everyone shall be studying that Agenda 2030 and say, okay, what can I do in my little world, because we're a little part, what can I do to make it better? I promise we will continue to work towards that in these terms, right?
And I do appreciate that Colombo Design is doing your part and will continue to do your part. And of course, the design industry as a whole, we should all be working together to create a much more sustainable, healthier world for the future. So, Carlo, I have to say thank you so much for your time and your insight into Colombo Design. And of course, to our lovely audience, please make sure to check out the Colombo Design website to learn more. Thank you so much, Carlo.
Thank you, Helene. Thank you very much to all of you.